Good afternoon, guys. We are here in Cattleya Chapel. Diri ibilaran si Noy Anyik for one night sa dili pa siya ilubog igaugma. Okay, guys, maunit diri, guys, ang chapel nila. Sunday, guys. Mangari ko na si Ending. Mangari si Ending.
Dito iko diri.
Mangari ko na siya. Ang chapel, guys, nga ilang yabangan. Sa isa't isa tayong lahat kapiling niya.
Sisters, thank you very much for coming over and paying respects for my dad last night here with us. And I know it's quite emotional always. And all I can say is that my father is great in his own ways. He's kind to everyone and he's helped a lot of people. That's all I know. He's always there, willing to lend a hand. And I thank you very much for one last time for coming over here. And I don't know if my other sisters would like to mention anything, but this is the time that we would really be feeling quite hard to stay. And I know that.
Alright, papa. Alam mo. Papa ni mo pa dai ba? Ribo na, ribo. Papa pa dai ba? Di papa ni mo. Oh, lagi oh. Oh, pero masakyan ang
Ada lah. Ini tu. Wah, walang pala.